What's up, guys? Doing a video on how to change your rear latch on a liftgate style GMC Yukon or Tahoe, whatever. I already have the back panel popped off. And disregard the foam. That's my insulation and sound deadening for my sub. But literally, you just come in here, you pop this panel off. It's just like a clip here, a clip over there, and down there, and down there, and then a couple little push pin tabs, and it pops right out. Well, then you come in here, you have to take a pick and push each side. Get that to focus. Maybe. Anyways, you gotta take a push pin right there and take that clip out, and then